So this is how you mix dry pack concrete. Portland cement is inside, 4-to-1, 5-to-1, 6-to-1. So basically, anybody who's learning and wants to do it the right way is mix, turn it over once, then after turn it over the second time, and then start adding some water and mix it again, make it damp. Then again, the secret is not to make it too watery, because that defeats the purpose of trying to pull everything and nice and straight. Here we are in the basement with the dry pack. De Costa is the specialist dry pack guy. We have just poured it all down. As you see on the walls, there's a blue chalk line, which we have leveled off, and he's going to follow these blue lines for the leveling. This is the other side of the basement, where straight poured cement from the builder, and unfortunately everything is out of level. As you can see, the blue lines is set for the topping of the dry pack. Here we go with the other half of the basement. Right now, floor mix has been added down for the bonding between the existing concrete floor to the dry pack, very important, so there's no separation. This is De Costa doing the final touches now of the basement. Finished product here. As you can see, nice and straight and level. Now De Costa is actually starting up the finishing, so everybody can actually see the proper way of doing dry pack. So anyone who wants the company, it's Precision Marble and Tile. They're based in Toronto, Canada. Phone number is 416-937-8115. So here we are after the day after, actually 3 days, and this is your dry pack concrete, nice and straight. It's obviously ready for tiling, and it'll make the tiles and the installers easy to lay now. So anyone who wants to have this installation process in a professional way would be to call Precision Marble and Tile at 416-937-8115. They are in Toronto, Canada, and please use their services. They have all the information you need to know. They'll make you feel comfortable and give you all the information you need from start to finish. Here we go, everybody. This is how to back butter your tile. Doesn't matter if it's granite or limestone. What we're using here is a 1/2 inch. I think 1/2 inch and trowel. You spread it nice. All the glues make it nice and even. Angelo. And eventually, you know what, you put your 1/16 spacers, give you the exact joint from each tile to tile. Here we are, everybody. Basement is all finished. It's after 1 week. Look at this beautiful job from Precision Marble and Tile. If you need their services, their number is 416-937-8115. They are in Toronto, Canada. So they are a one-stop company. From, as you saw earlier in the dry pack leveling of the floors, you have 2 to 3 inches of dry pack underneath, which has made this basement amazingly level, and straight. For those of you, again, the company to call is Precision Marble and Tile, 416-937-8115. So anyone, GTA, Toronto, from Oshawa, right over west to Oakville, Mississauga, this company travels around right up to Newmarket, Richmond Hill, Bolton,